Hello again, my name's Gabe Zolna. Interesting article was sent to me by one of my viewers. It's a posting on WorldNet Daily, and the title is, Does Second Amendment Trump Fourth Amendment? The Supreme Court has been asked to review a case that was brought for their consideration, and it's in regard to a Texas homeowner. I believe it was in 2008, the Texas homeowner was doing what the Second Amendment permits him to do. He was defending his own property. According to the article, what had happened was the police were told that the homeowner's son had a weapon. So what the police did was they broke into the home without knocking, without announcing their intentions. The owner of the home went for his weapon, thinking that they were being invaded through a home invasion, which, as you may or may not know, is a very frequent event in the United States. As the police broke in, they saw that he was arming himself or was already armed, so they shot him. He wasn't killed. He was taken to the hospital and he survived the incident. Now, the court is reviewing whether or not he had the right to do that and whether or not the police had the right to ignore the Fourth Amendment. We'll see how it all shakes out. Problem, as far as I'm concerned, is the Supreme Court. I believe, and I've stated this in numerous videos that I've posted, I believe they've been compromised. And they will not rule on anything that's not in favor of the administration. That, my friend, is what I believe. And we've seen that happen, especially in regard to Obamacare. Obamacare was deceivingly presented to the American people. Harry Reid, again, took documents that was presented in a bill that the House of Representatives approved. The bill was a tax credit. All taxes have to originate in the House, not in the Senate. And what Harry Reid did was he removed all of the papers within that bill, kept the approval number for that bill, and inserted Obamacare. Now, if that isn't clear, blatant fraud, what the hell is? Yet Justice Roberts agreed and approved that, in fact, it can be implemented as a tax against the American people. You think maybe Justice Roberts has been compromised? I'm sort of inclined to feel that way. How about you? You think they're going to rule fairly in this Texas case? I don't think so. Once again, I don't see them ruling against anything that this administration does that could be harmful to the administration. What do you think? I told you what I think.